How to fix Google Meet sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody to this video that I will give you the best solution. Let's do it. So just open first the settings of your device, click on the apps option after that, and here search for Google Meet. Click and right now you will see this list. Go to storage, click clear cache, and right now back, click on force stop and click OK. Go to permission option and here give permission to these options that you see here. And after that, guys, you need to go to Play Store, update your Google Meet. After that, restart your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.